Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ain Fasihah binti Zaman Huri. My trade numbers I18303-401. Today, in this video, subject of Islamic wealth management, I will present to you the 6 type of Shariah compliant investment. Let's go through one by one. Shariah compliant investment product. The intermediaries, financial and capital market comprise of the bourses, unit trusts, management companies, bank and takaful operators, among others. These intermediaries must be licensed, regulated and supervised by 2 regulatory bodies. First is Bank Negara Malaysia, BNM. Second is Security Commission, SC. Okay, licensing ensure and educate level of investor protection, including the provision of sufficient safeguard. Okay, these various types of Sharia compliant investment categorized under 6 classes of asset. First is share, second is unit trust, third is ETF, number 4 is REIT, 5 is derivative, and number 6 is SUKUK. I will explain these 6 each one of them. Okay, first is shares. What is share? Share is the basic unit of ownership in a company. Shareholder have right to vote at general meetings. Shareholder can expect to benefit from the profit earned by the company in the form of dividend. Okay, these are the risks associated with buying shares. First, value of share may fall. Second, dividend may not be paid. Third is loss of the entire investment if the company goes out of the business. The last one is difficult to sell if the demand for them is lacking. Okay, addition information. Investment in shares is permissible in Islam, provided that the share are Sharia compliant companies. Okay, shareholder are the capital provider, Rabb al-Mal. Okay, and the company is the entrepreneur, Mudarrib. Okay, now is unit trust. A unit trust is an investment vehicle that allow investor to take advantage of investing in a diversified group of shares which manage risk and exposure to one or a few shares. Okay, offer to participate in the long-term performance. Okay, unit trust can invest in many financial products in conventional financial market which are not interest-based. Okay, unit trust fund is a managed investment scheme or collective investment scheme that pool money from many investors who shares same financial objective. Okay, these are the benefit shares compliant unit trust. First, instant diversification. Second, professional management. Third, accessible to a wide area of investment. And the last one is responsibility to ensure Sharia compliance rests with the fund managed company. Okay, what is the meaning of the ETF? ETF means index-based fund that allow investor to buy or sell exposures to an index through a single financial instrument. Okay, it provided investor in a single transaction a cost efficient and convenient way to gain exposure to the basket of security represented in the index. Okay, the objective of an ETF is to track or replicate the performance of the benchmark index. Okay, now is real estate investment trust, REIT. Okay, what is REIT? REIT is a collective investment vehicle, typical a trust fund, which pool money from investor and use pool capital to buy, manage and sell real estate asset. Okay, The objective is to obtain reasonable investment returns. Okay, for Sharia complaint, it must rent out the property to tenant who activities in accordance with Sharia. Okay, the last one is the rental income must be deposited into Islamic bank. Current Islamic rate is Al-Aqsa KPJ rate. Second is Al-Hadarah boosted rate, and the last one is exist rate. Okay, derivative. Derivative are financial instrument used to manage one exposure to today volatile market. Okay, a derivative product value depends upon and it derived from an underlying instrument such as commodity prices, interest rate, indicates and share prices. Okay, the last one is derivative instrument can be traded in an organized exchange or over the counter OTC. The last one is SUKUK. SUKUK are monetary dominated participation certificate of equal unit value issue to investor. The SUKUK certificate holder can earn a pro rata share in the receivables generated by the asset. Okay, SUKUK certificate are traded in the secondary market. Okay, SUKUK cannot be subscribed by individuals. It must via fund. Okay, they have three SUKUK. Name is first is Mudarabah SUKUK. Mudarabah SUKUK is an investment SUKUK that represent common ownership of unit of equal value in the Mudarabah equity. Okay, Musyarakah SUKUK is investment SUKUK that represent ownership of musyarakah equity, and the last one is Ijarah SUKUK represent ownership of equal share in a rented real estate of the usufruct of the real estate. Okay, thank you.